In this video, we're going to be having a look at what subtraction is used for. We're going to be taking a look at some different kinds of problems that we can solve with subtraction. Let's take a look. Just here I have a collection or a group of 15 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And they're beautifully drawn, I'm sure you'll agree. One of the main times that we would use subtraction is if we wanted to split this group in two for some reason. So I might have this part of the group going home, and I want to work out what's left. If this is the full group, and then I take this part away, subtraction helps me work out this part that's left. Or we could use subtraction to look at differences between numbers. For instance, you might have $8 and your friend only has 3. You might want to work out how much more you have than your friend. And we could use subtraction to work that out. While we can use subtraction to solve a range of problems, it's really about taking a collection and breaking it into some smaller parts. Or to say it another way, if I'm given the full amount and I take this part, what's the other part going to be? In the coming videos, we're going to be looking at a bunch of different examples where we can use subtraction, and we'll be looking at strategies to help you solve those problems. Let's get into it. I'll see you in the next video.